If you're in the market for a new SUV, I have some good news. SUVs are some of the cheapest vehicles to insure, but not all SUVs have cheap insurance, and the exact model you buy could have a huge impact on your premiums. So in this video, we're going to go over the average cost of car insurance for SUVs and show you some tools that help you estimate your insurance costs and find the best policies for your budget. Let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. To start off, let's look at the average cost to insure an SUV. On average, SUV owners pay $289 a month for full coverage car insurance, but not every SUV comes with the same insurance rates. A Tesla Model Y, for instance, costs about $3,600 per year to insure, but the Honda CR-V and Subaru Forester both have an average rate of just over $2,000 per year. So what determines the cost of SUV insurance? Well, there's a few factors that come into play here. First, insurance companies look at the overall value of the SUV. That is the actual cash value they have to pay out if the vehicle was totaled or stolen. Large SUVs and high-end SUVs such as the Model Y or the GMC Yukon cost more to insure over smaller crossovers. Insurers also look at things like engine size, technology, luxury add-ons, which vary between different trims. In general, a model's highest trim will cost more to insure than lowest, but some add-ons like all-wheel drive can actually help reduce your insurance costs if they make the vehicle safer to drive. Ultimately, that's what insurance cares about, the risk of accidents and driving violations associated with given vehicle. Safety ratings and insurance loss statistics collected by groups like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety help insurers predict the likelihood that any given SUV will be in an accident. So, where does that leave you? Well, if you're considering buying an SUV, start by checking out the safety ratings and loss rates for the models you're looking at. If you're torn between two SUVs, opt for the one that has the higher safety scores and lower rate for insurance claims. Next step, compare quotes. Look, your vehicle isn't the only thing that determines your insurance rates. And the only way to know what kind of rate you're eligible for is to compare actual quotes. With the Jerry app, you can actually compare quotes for different vehicles before you buy. If you know the VIN typically listed on the dealer's website, you can get a sense of what you'd be paying to insure any SUV before you buy. The Subaru Forester, Honda CR-V, and the Subaru Outback are three of the cheapest vehicles to insure overall, with an average rate close to $170 and even as low as $150 a month. I'm curious, if you already own an SUV, how much are you actually paying in insurance? Drop a comment down below and let us know. And if you haven't done this before, use the Jerry app to see if you're eligible for a lower rate.
Jerry, the all-car app that's got your back. Because we car.